ABC Speaking Academy.
Do you like apples or banana?
I like apples more.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I like carrots.
What's your favorite snack?
I love popcorn.
What kind of juice do you want?
I want orange juice.
What are we buying today?
We are getting some fruits.
Are we buying ice cream?
Yes, we need an ice cream.
What's your favorite flavor?
Chocolate is my favorite.
How many cookies should we get?
Let's get a dozen.
Have you tried these cakes?
Yes, it's so delicious.
Do you want to pick out a cereal?
Yes, I want the one with the tiger on it.
What kind of bread should we buy?
I like whole wheat bread.
Do you like to choose your own yogurt?
Yes, I like picking the flavors.
Do you want some strawberries?
Yes, please.
How many eggs should we buy?
Let's get a dozen eggs.
Do you like to help with the shopping?
Yes, I like picking things.
What kind of juice should we get?
Orange juice, please.
What kind of juice should we get?
I like the one is the red bag.
Do you want a special treat today?
Can we get a chocolate bar?
Should we get some milk?
Yes, we need milk cereal.
What should we get for breakfast?
I want pancakes.
Do you like to help with the groceries?
Yes, can carry the bags.
What do you think we need for lunch?
How about some sandwiches?
Do you like to pick out cereal?
Yes, it's fun to choose.
What's your favorite flavor of jam?
I like strawberry jam.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
I like cheddar cheese.
Should we buy some fresh vegetables?
Yes, let's get some broccoli.
What kind of fruit do you want?
I want some juicy grapes.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I like carbonara.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I like spaghetti.
Do you want to choose a treat for later?
I want a hamburger.
What kind of ice cream should we get?
I like vanilla with chocolate chips.